Facebook for 3 days.
Yo, what the fuck, bro?
What'd you get banned from Facebook?
I posted a fucking frog smoking a dick and somebody reported it and I fucking got some ass to it.
Since when do you drink Jaeger?
Like on like Wednesdays now?
Yo, Clayton, what we got here?
Bunch of shit.
Ball of shit right here.
Bunch of
Ball
shit.
Did you buy a part from the same part you already have?
Yes, he did.
Yeah, I didn't like this thing. Take so I bought a new one.
Can I have that one?
Yeah, we'll put on your Honda.
It's probably gonna make
Oh god.
He knows where
Oh god.
Oh, let's not chicken buckets.
Another one with
he
Jaeger.
lost his balls, dude.
Yo, this is a Jaeger party? Who did everything?
I didn't unplug when we're fucking with the wires. Do we unplug anything? Yeah.
So most of it not running good is probably shit. It's most likely
It's
shit
alive.
related.
It smells like shit.
Vacuum related.
Probably, no, probably.
Oh shit! Oh shit, Jay.
Sexy fucking panther.
Oh shit, Jay. Oh, it's locked. Oh shit. Oh, my side's not
Clap
locked.
your hands, it unlocks.
Clap, clap. Ugh.
See, you know you got a nice car when you need to open up your passenger door for your passenger.
Oh god.
None of that unlock.
There's the keyhole.
None of that
Oh, I
unlock
gotta
button.
slam that door, dude.
See, that's the best thing about old cars. You could beat on it, and it's not gonna fall apart.
Like a dream.
Look, no beeping for seatbelts. Oh, you can't.
That's how you warm up a rotary here. Perfect. Ah, shit, Jay.
Smoke effect.
Smoke a fat dick. Alright, so we're going to my buddy Milton's shop, picking up some fucking fittings for the fuel rail. Taking the good old trusty RX-7. Ah, shit, Jay.
Oh yeah.
If you need anything, hit my boy up. I think it's in here. There we go. There's my pots.
Got the goodies?
Yeah, take my goodies.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to my boy Milton, hooking me up.
So we got the good
Alright,
stuff
what do we
here.
got? What do we got?
Well, first off, we got Cumberland Farms Pizza.
Yes, sir.
You know, cheap race car buy right here for dinner. You know what I mean? You gotta support the car parts more than your stomach.
Alright, so what did I get? Dash 12, plug, dash 12, and some line. So basically, flip this around. Basically, we're gonna put this bad Larry here, run the line to that bad Larry, right there. See it? See it? And then, yeah, so the water will be all hooked up to the coolant. And then, I think I'm going to have to cut that down. Right now it's like that. So if we cut it right on that line, shit will be tit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. Safety first, right?
Having second
Drop
thoughts.
it lower.
I am having second thoughts. Fucking battery's dead, Jay.
Oh no. Fucking figure it out.
Like butter.
Like butter, kid.
Where's your underwheel at?
Put that on a cracker, dude.
Put on the cracker, dude.
Shit.
I think you dropped your net.
Tits. See if that fits. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. Oh god, that's hot.
Mountain Dew sponsorship.
Get the other one done. And then slide it
Yeah,
off.
and see how it fits.
Come on. There we go.
Looks like you have money.
Got that all hooked up now. All I gotta do is put this, where did it go? This rail for the bottom of the intake for the coolant. But it's a bitch, so I ain't doing that right now. The TPS sensor now. There's a little, watch out, under that magnet there's my bolt over there. I lose my little bolt, bro.
A little bolt.
What's that GPS
That's
sensor?
a cute little fucking bolt, dude.
Fuel line's fucking me up right here. Lucky guess.
I think it's the phone.
Ain't that one. Going the wrong way? Am I going the wrong way in? Ah, I was
That
right.
was the gray one.
I was right, Jack. Should have bent.
Bang. It's like the doorway stopper. Bang.
Bang.
Whatever, take shit off this one. Sensors.
Yeah, take these sensors
I
off.
think so. Both of them, right? This one and that one.
Yeah.
So you know I'm
Too small.
use channel locks forever.
Too big.
I think a size bigger will work.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah. Vice grip hands.
I broke it loose with this. That's why. Wow, look at the way you twist that.
Like that, bro? It's 6 years of doing plumbing right there.
Get paid by the fucking hour, guy. Let's go.
You paying me, bro? Get paid by the job.
Oh god.
Oh, you just got love when it breaks loose. You know when you really get in there.
Word.
Like that.
I think they go over here. Right in this area.
Does it? Well, which one?
I think they're both the same fucking thread.
Yeah,
no?
no, but like, how do you want it?
I don't know. This one looks like it works right there.
Alright, then.
And put that one over there.
This one, yeah. Want to get in there at the same time?
I did mine, bro. They're slacking.
Just gotta make sure you're doing it right.
You want me to get my wrench again?
Boys, pinky up. Pinky up. Keep that pinky
You
up.
want me to get my wrench again? Tighten it?
Yeah. You can do both of them at the same time.
Oh, I got one right here. Try and do both.
Yeah, if you did both at the same time.
Oh god. This is going on YouTube and using channel locks.
Yep.
What the hell, dude?
Some bougie ass.
Nice ass motor.
Channel locks
I'm
that.
using these.
I'll probably.
I have the right fucking wrench.
Do you? I don't see it over here. I see these channel locks over here. What's going on in there? Look at that.
Oh my god.
Snap!
Yeah, leave it. You got this one here?
Yeah, I did that one.
Alright,
How
now
quick I am, you didn't see me do it.
we gotta find the plugs. Let me go on the mystery of wires. Found one, I think. Oh no. Just give her a little. Don't try this at home. Just give her a little wink though, and she'll come right out. I think this is
Like,
it.
you know that Yaga thing? You just gotta give it a nice little Yaga.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Perfect. Now there's another one. We're gonna go on the little mystery of wires.
This one?
Ah, right here. Now we're gonna put this one right through here. Again, don't try this at home.
That one's got enough slack.
Oh god. Perfecto.
Look at that.
Tits. Shout out to my boy Adam OZ. What is this? Adam OZ. Gave me this fresh ass shirt too. Yo. Show him. Show him what I got, bro. Upside down.
There we go. Yeah.
Ooh, what is that? Is that a garret? Is that this thing?
Garolette.
Oh yeah.
Nice shirt.
Tossing a clamp for me and shit.
I'm gonna be waiting for mine.
Hook me up.
Buddy.
If you guys need a fucking intake for your, where's it for? SR,
Don't even know what it's for.
SR1J and RB, whatever, hit them up. It's got them. Limited supply.
Nicotine break. Always needed. Always.
This thing's so dirty, dude. Alright, that's probably it for the video. If you guys want to see more Skyline shit, like, comment, and subscribe, motherfuckers. Like, comment, subscribe.
Motherfucker.
Motherfuckers.